Welcome to the Englishstorywell channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
Welcome to this special story. It is written in simple English and designed to help you practice reading and listening while improving your English skills. The story is exciting, mysterious, and full of lessons that make learning fun. Let's start this amazing journey. Sarah was a 17-year-old girl who loved books. She spent most of her time at the library in her small town, Riverwood. Sarah was curious about everything: history, science, and even space. One rainy afternoon, Sarah found an old book on a dusty shelf. The book was titled The Secrets of Time Travel. Sarah's eyes widened as she opened it. Inside, the pages were filled with strange symbols, drawings, and instructions. Sarah, to herself, could this be real? Is time travel possible? As she read the book, Sarah found a strange note tucked between the pages. It said, "To the reader, if you are brave enough to believe, meet me at the old clock tower at midnight." Sarah couldn't stop thinking about the note. She decided to go to the clock tower that night. At exactly midnight, she reached the tall, broken tower at the edge of town. The wind was cold, and the place was silent. Sarah, whispering hello, "Is anyone here?" Suddenly, a man appeared out of nowhere. He wore a long coat and had a strange device in his hand. His eyes sparkled with intelligence. "Man, you must be Sarah. I'm Thomas, the time traveler." "Sarah, time traveler? Is this a joke?" "Thomas, no joke. Time travel is real, and I need your help. You found the book, so you're the one who can help me fix the timeline." Thomas explained that something had gone wrong in history, and if they didn't fix it, the future would be in danger. "Thomas, will you come with me, Sarah? It won't be easy, but it will be worth it." "Sarah, nervously, I'll come. I've always wanted an adventure." Thomas pressed a button on his device, and suddenly, they were surrounded by a bright light. When the light faded, Sarah and Thomas found themselves in a busy marketplace. People wore clothes from hundreds of years ago. "Sarah, where are we?" "Thomas, we are in the year 1420, in a city called Ashgrove." Thomas explained that a powerful artifact called the Crystal of Time had been stolen. It was hidden somewhere in this era, and they had to find it. "Thomas, the thief is dangerous. We must be careful." "Sarah, how will we find the crystal in such a big city?" "Thomas, we'll follow the clues. Let's start with the market." As they walked through the market, Sarah noticed a boy selling maps. She had a feeling he knew something. "Sarah, excuse me, do you know anything about a crystal?" Boy, nervously, "I've heard rumors." A man in a black cloak was asking about it. "He went to the forest." Thomas and Sarah thanked the boy and hurried to the forest. The forest was dark and quiet. As they walked, they heard footsteps behind them. Thomas, whispering, "Stay close, Sarah. Someone is following us." Suddenly, a figure in a black cloak appeared. He held a glowing crystal in his hand. "Man, who are you? Why are you here?" "Thomas, we're here to take back the Crystal of Time. You don't know its power." Man, laughing, "The crystal belongs to me now. If you want it, you'll have to fight for it." The man raised his hand, and the crystal started glowing brighter. Suddenly, a strong wind blew through the forest, knocking down trees. "Sarah, Thomas, what do we do?" "Thomas, we have to outsmart him. Follow my lead." Thomas used his device to create a distraction. A bright flash of light appeared, and the man dropped the crystal for a moment. Sarah quickly grabbed it and ran. Man, angrily, "You'll regret this." Sarah and Thomas ran back to the marketplace. "Sarah, we have the crystal. Now what?" "Thomas, we need to activate it and return it to its rightful place in time." Thomas explained that the crystal had to be placed in a special chamber inside a hidden temple. They followed the map and reached the temple after hours of walking. Inside the temple, they found a pedestal with markings that matched the crystal. "Thomas, place the crystal here, Sarah. It will restore the timeline." Sarah carefully placed the crystal on the pedestal. The room lit up with golden light, and they felt the ground shake. Thomas, we did it! The timeline is safe now. Thomas used his device again, and they returned to the present day. Everything seemed normal, but Sarah felt different. She had learned so much during their journey. Sarah, thank you, Thomas. That was the adventure of a lifetime. Thomas, no. Thank you, Sarah. Without you, I couldn't have done it. Thomas handed her the old book. Thomas, keep this. One day, you might need it again. Sarah returned to her quiet town, but she was no longer the same girl. She was braver, smarter, and ready for new challenges. She often wondered if she would meet Thomas again. One day, she opened the book and found a new note. Dear Sarah, the world still needs you. Are you ready for the next journey?
T.
Sarah smiled. She knew her adventures were just beginning. This story shows us the importance of courage, curiosity, and teamwork. It also reminds us that learning never ends, and every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Thank you for listening and practicing English with a story. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Are you looking to improve your advanced English skills? This video is designed to help you practice English effectively through graded reading and listening exercises. It's perfect for learners who want to refine their language abilities, expand their vocabulary, and develop fluency in both speaking and comprehension. What's inside this video? In this video, you'll find advanced graded English content, carefully selected reading passages and listening exercises that are both challenging and engaging, interactive practice, opportunities to pause, repeat, and follow along with the text to strengthen your skills, practical language tips. Learn how to use advanced vocabulary and sentence structures naturally in everyday conversations. Clear and slow narration, perfectly paced reading and explanations to help you catch every word and understand the context. How will this video help you? This video is designed to support learners at an advanced level who want to refine listening skills, understand complex sentences, accents, and expressions used in spoken English, enhance reading comprehension, improve your ability to interpret texts, identify main ideas, and understand nuanced meanings. Expand advanced vocabulary. Learn and practice words and phrases that are commonly used by fluent and native speakers. Boost confidence in speaking. Practice mimicking the narration to improve pronunciation, fluency, and intonation. Strengthen writing skills. Use the advanced language structures and vocabulary you learn to write clearly and effectively. Who is this video for? This video is ideal for advanced learners who want to challenge themselves and refine their skills, intermediate learners aspiring to reach an advanced level by practicing more difficult material, English teachers and students who are looking for graded material to use in the classroom or for self-study, professionals and travelers who want to feel more confident in formal and informal English settings. What can you expect to learn? Advanced vocabulary and context. Discover new words and phrases with their meanings explained clearly. Complex sentence structures. Understand how advanced grammar is used in real-world examples. Natural English expressions. Learn idiomatic phrases and how to use them appropriately. Critical thinking skills. Practice summarizing, analyzing, and forming opinions based on the reading and listening exercises. How to use this video for practice. Listen and follow along. Read the text on screen as the narrator speaks. Pause and repeat to improve pronunciation. Take notes. Write down new words, phrases, or sentences, and practice using them in your own writing and speaking. Answer questions. Challenge yourself by answering comprehension questions or summarizing the material in your own words. Practice daily. Revisit the video regularly to reinforce your learning and track your progress. Engage with the content. Share your thoughts in the comments, or discuss the material with a language partner or tutor. Why is advanced English practice important? Practicing advanced English regularly helps you communicate fluently in academic, professional, and casual settings. Understand native speakers with ease, even in fast-paced or complex conversations. Expand your opportunities in education, careers, and global interactions. Develop a deeper appreciation of English literature, media, and culture. Build the confidence to express yourself clearly and effectively in any situation. Key features of this video. Graded content. The materials are designed to suit advanced learners, ensuring they are neither too easy nor too difficult. Engaging and relevant topics. Explore themes that are interesting, thought-provoking, and applicable to real life. Step-by-step guidance. Detailed explanations and examples make complex ideas easier to understand. Interactive learning. Practice exercises are included to help you test your understanding and apply what you've learned. Why choose our channel? Our channel is dedicated to helping English learners at all levels achieve their goals. Here's what you'll find here. Engaging stories and lessons. From beginner to advanced, we offer content that keeps you interested. Practical learning tips. Clear strategies to help you learn faster and retain more information. Supportive community. Join other learners from around the world to share experiences and progress together. Regular updates. New videos every week to keep your learning fresh and exciting. Tips for success. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Practice consistently, even for 10 to 15 minutes a day. Speak out loud and mimic the narrator's tone and pronunciation. Engage with the material by writing summaries or creating conversations based on the topics. Ready to take your English skills to the next level? Click play, and let's start practicing together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who want to improve their English. Happy learning! Smiling face with smiling eyes.
Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, our carefully curated stories cater to all levels, making learning English enjoyable and effective. Join our community of language enthusiasts and let the magic of storytelling transform your learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Dive into Englishstorywell, where every story is a step towards mastering English.